I will eat you.
Please let me go. One day, I will help you.
Such a tiny creature helping me?
All right, I'll let you live. Go, little one.
Don't worry, my friend. I am here.
Slowly the net becomes loose. The lion looks amazed.
Finally, the net breaks and the lion is free at last. Even a small friend can do a big job.
Yes, friendship always helps. Yes, friendship always helps.
As the sun began to set, the lion and the mouse walked together into the forest. Moral of the story: never underestimate a small friend.
Subscribe.
Row.
Squeak.